Fourth question, 3.1, question number 2 का you have a is equal to minus 1.25 and you have difference of 3. So here also the terms are starting from the negative numbers, but the difference is positive as the last case it was. So T1 is equal to, sorry, a is equal to T1, that way you write down. So a is equal to T1, so that is equal to minus of 1.25. So first term is found. Now second terms how we can get? By adding the difference. What is the difference? We have here minus 1.25 plus 3. Correct? So you have the answer as see the way I am doing, children. 3 is nothing but 3.00 now. Correct? Now children observe. Here it is minus 1.25 and here it is 3.00. Now instead of 3 I have to put it 3.00 because actually I have to do the subtraction here. 3 में से मेरे को 1.25 subtract करना पड़ेगा because one is having negative sign, another is having positive sign. So do the subtraction. So here you will get 10. 10 में से 5 गया तो 5. यहाँ पे होगा 9. 9 में से 2 तो 7 and here 2. 2 में से 1 तो this. So you will be getting 1.75. No need this you can do at the some last page. You got the answer 1.75. So here directly you can write the answer 1.75. Now what is T3? T3 is nothing but T2 plus D and that is 1.75 plus 3. Okay, 3.00 only you write down. So decimal point no problem it will be. Okay, so it will be 4.75. And now T4 will be T3 plus D. So that is 4.75 plus 3. So that is equal to 7.75. So now 4 terms we have found. So we can just put it here as minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75, 7.75 dot 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 is required AP. Correct? Now we'll move to the next question. Fifth one. A is equal to 6 and D is equal to minus 3. Here now this is positive term and this difference is negative. So all the time you are going to take care. Addition, subtraction you should be clear. So first term is 6, no problem. Now T2 is T1 plus D. So that is 6 plus minus 3. Now 6 plus minus 3 is nothing but 3. And T3 will be T2 plus D. So that is 3 plus minus 3. So this comes out to be 0. And T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So that is 0 plus minus 3, which comes out to be minus 3. 4 terms are found, so we can write down now. 6, 3, 0, minus 3 is dot 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 is the required AP. Once you complete this, let us move to the sixth question. Sixth question, we have A is equal to minus 19 and D is equal to minus 4. So the term is also, first term is also negative and even the difference is also negative. The method remains same. A is equal to T1 is equal to minus 19. Now T2 is nothing but T1 plus D. So minus 19 plus minus 4. So both are negative numbers. So their power will get added up. So it will be minus 23. Now T3 will be T2 plus D. That is minus 23 plus the difference is minus 4. Correct? So minus 23 plus minus 4 is minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. So that is equal to minus 27 plus minus 4. So that is minus 31. So minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31, dot 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 is required AP. Now let's move ahead with the third question. Find the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. So here the AP is given. Children, they have already told it is AP. आपको prove नहीं करना है. Okay. Just what you are supposed to do is, after doing the subtraction, you are supposed to find out the first term common difference. First term जो first term दी थी वही होगा. So first term finding is easy. Only the thing is you have to find out the common difference by subtracting it. ठीक है? So let us do it. So your first question of question number 3 of practice set 3.1 is 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7. Dot 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 dot. So first, children, always write down what is T1. T1 is 5, correct? T2 is 1, T3 is minus 3 and T4 is minus 7. All the 4 terms I have written. So what is A? A is nothing but T1. So what is it? 5. Correct? First term is nothing but A na. A को दो ना. First term को दो नाम है. T1 also we say and we say A also. Now difference. How to find the difference? Difference is the difference between two consecutive terms. So either you take T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or whatever. So let us do it. So it is T2 is 1. 1 minus 5. So that is minus 4. That again check it with the next term also. So you have T3 is minus 3 and T2 is 1. So that also gives 2. Check it with next term also as they have given. So it is minus 7 minus minus 3. So minus 7 plus 3 which comes out to be minus 4. Now here children, as they are told AP, if you just find out a difference from first 2 terms, it is logically correct. But as they had given 4 terms, so let us find out the difference for all the 4 and confirm our answer that itself that we are correct. So I will suggest you have to do all the terms whichever are given and find the difference. Okay, so then you write down. So the first term is A equal to 5 and common difference B is equal to minus 4. So in the method is the same as finding whether it is AP or not. उसके जैसा ही method जा रहा है इसमें. Okay, so don't get confused. अगर 2 से भी होता है काम, but as it is they have given 4 terms, we are writing for all the 4 terms. Now let us go to the second question. Second question is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5. Okay, so let us write down that. For that, please write down the sequence and T1, T2, T3, T4 सब लिखो. So we have 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5. So 0.6 is your first term, 0.9 is your second term, 1.2 is your third term, 1.5 is your fourth term. After that, see, purposely I am doing in this, writing in this manner so that you understand the steps are same. The steps are same. So just write down what is T1 because that is same as A, so it is 0.6. And thereafter we will be finding the difference. So here it is 0.6 and here you will be finding the difference. T2, that is T2 is nothing but 0.9 minus 0.6. So that is 0.3. Now here T3 minus T2. So 1.2 minus 0.9. So that is equal to again 0.
Miss, camera angle change. Yes, Miss, now it is clear.
Next, 1.5 minus 0.9. So that is 0.3 again. So what you got, the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 0.3. Write it down. As you will do the sums now, you will find this chapter very easy and mechanical. If you know the method, you can just go ahead. So now you understood the method. I hope that now you can
It's in all.
for the third sum. So third sum is I think so 127, 135, 143 and 151. So let's do that. I hope everybody has completed the second question. So we'll move on to the third one.
Yes, Miss.
So write the sequence. Given AP 127, 135, 143, 151. Now write down T1, T2, etc. One 127, 135, 143, 151. So our A1 is 127. Got it. Now I'll go on finding the difference. 135 minus 127, which comes out to be 8. And here 143 minus 135, which comes out to be again 8. and 151 minus 143, again it is coming out to be 8. So your first term is 127 and your common difference is 8. Right? Now the fourth question, as it is having the fraction, little difficult. First complete this and then write the fourth question. Fourth question. So you are given the sequence as 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4, 7 upon 4. यहाँ पे सब 4 है, यहाँ पे 1, 3, 5, 9. Right? So I hope you are understanding. Huh? Every time there is a difference of 2 upon 4, that is half. Common sense. And then too we will write down all the things. So write down what is T1, T2, T3 and T4. So T1 is 1 upon 4, T2 is 3 upon 4, T3 is 5 upon 4 and T4 is 7 upon 4. Now we'll try to find out the difference. So our A is equal to T1, so that is 1 upon 4. Now we will be writing difference T2 minus T1. So that is, you have 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4, which comes out to be 3 minus 1 upon 4, which comes out to be 2 upon 4, which comes out to be 1 upon 2. Then again find the difference T3 minus T2. So that is 5 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4. So that is 5 minus 3 upon 4. So that is 2 upon 4, which is come out to be half. Last time T4 minus T3 we will do. So 7 upon 4 minus 5 upon 4, that is 7 minus 5 upon 4, which is 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. So in all the cases, children, you got the common difference as half. So let us write down the first term is first term, you are going to write down A is equal to 1 upon 4 and common difference is 1 upon 2.